If I eat okra every day, what will happen to me? Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Eating okra, also known as lady's finger or gumbo, regularly can have both positive and potential negative effects on your health, depending on various factors such as your overall diet, health conditions, and portion sizes. Here are some potential outcomes. Positive effects. 1. Nutrient intake. Okra is a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and B vitamins, and minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Regular consumption can contribute to your overall nutrient intake. 2. Digestive health. The high fiber content in okra can promote healthy digestion and help prevent constipation. It can also support a healthy gut microbiome, which is important for overall well-being. 3. Blood sugar control. Okra contains compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for individuals with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. 4. Heart health. The fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients in okra can contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support overall cardiovascular function. Potential negative effects. 1. Oxalates. Okra contains oxalates, which are naturally occurring compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones, you might need to limit your intake of high oxalate foods like okra. 2. Allergies. Some individuals might be allergic to okra, experiencing symptoms such as itching, swelling, hives, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any allergic reactions, it's important to avoid okra. 3. Interaction with medications. Okra could potentially interact with certain medications. If you are taking medications, especially blood sugar lowering medications, it's advisable to consult your healthcare provider before significantly increasing your okra consumption. 4. Variety in diet. While okra has nutritional benefits, it's important to have a varied diet that includes a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. Remember, moderation and variety are key components of a healthy diet. Eating okra every day as part of a well-balanced diet can contribute to your overall health, but it's important to monitor how your body responds and make adjustments based on your individual needs and health status. If you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it's always a good idea to consult a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos, and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.